In terms of performance, the OnePlus 12 takes the lead thanks to its upgraded Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, outshining the OnePlus Open's older chip. This enhancement brings a significant 25-30 performance boost and a 20-25 increase in energy efficiency. The disparity in battery size is noteworthy. The OnePlus Open houses a 4,805 mAh battery, while the OnePlus 12 steps up with a larger 5,400 mAh cell. Though the OnePlus 12's battery endurance is yet to be tested, its larger capacity suggests improved performance compared to the OnePlus Open's 11 hours and 45 minutes, considering the typical power demands of foldable devices with dual screens. Regarding specifications, both devices share similarities. The OnePlus Open offers 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, while the OnePlus 12 provides diverse configurations from 24 GB and a 1 TB to 12 GB and 256 AB. Both phones feature a triple camera setup with commonalities in 2 lenses, a 48p ultra-wide sensor, and a 64MP telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom. The primary sensor differs slightly. The OnePlus 12 showcases a 50MP sensor with a slightly wider aperture compared to the OnePlus Open's 48MP lens. Yet the improvement in image quality is minimal, warranting a direct comparison for a more accurate assessment. Ultimately, the decision hinges on personal preferences. The OnePlus 12 might be more cost-effective and slightly more future-proof due to its newer processor. However, the OnePlus Open's distinctive folding design, delivering both tablet and phone functionalities, presents an enticing option despite the higher price point.